Alright, so guys, I am currently starting this video off in my car because I want to say right at the beginning that this video is a little bit all over the place. I've filmed little bits here and there over the past like week and a half to 2 weeks, as you can tell by the first part of this video coming out. Main reason being is I done all the filming of the spraying and the painting and the prepping of the wheels. As you can see, they're in the back, they're done. So what I will do is I'll add them bits in first, so you can see the sort of process I went through of painting the wheels. So I will be in different clothes because it was on a completely different day, and then I'll pick back up from today, which is the day where the wheels have been sat and dried for 4 days. And we are currently now going to my mate's work so he can fit the tyres, and I'm going to film that process as well because I thought I might as well just do it all in one, and then we're going to hopefully, fingers crossed, get the wheels on the car today. I don't want the fingers on my car because they're dirty, but anyway, let's jump right into it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you smash the like button, and also leave a comment. Don't care what you comment, like I said. Feel free to comment what you like. I will try reply to it in some sort of way. But we're now going to head over to my mate's work, get the tyres done, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to play the clips of me painting the wheels and doing all that process. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I've got the wheels indoors, just because this is a smooth section and it's a lot easier to do the cleanup on than it is out on the concrete out in the garden. And there's no wind in here, so we're all good. But what we're going to do is I think I've already sort of filmed this because obviously this wheel right here is almost drilled out, but I'll probably use this footage here. So what we're going to do is we are going to drill out all the ones that are missing on this one, and then we're going to drill out all the ones on that. And yeah, I'll time lapse it, so let's do that right about now. Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the second half, I'm guessing, of the video. Right behind me, I've got all 4 wheels. 2 of them are done, 2 of them are now ready to be prepped for paint, if you know what I mean. I've just got to basically cover the black section in the middle so that doesn't get painted, and then we can paint them. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys the difference between the 2 that are done and the 2 that aren't. So basically the colour difference isn't too much, and yeah, I'll just quickly show you that right now. So obviously all I wanted to show you guys is this is obviously one that hasn't been painted and this one has. The colour difference between them isn't too much. I mean, I used an enamel gold, chrome gold to spray these. This is obviously just a bit of a darker gold. So yeah, we're at that point now where I've literally just got to tape up the centre sections on these 2 wheels, and then we can get to doing the filler primer, which will cover all of the scratches and stuff that you can see from the sandpaper, and it'll cover most of the imperfections in the wheels really. The centre bits, I'm probably going to have to paint them at some point because they are quite faded. They're not really a shiny black, which is what I want them to be. I've also got to find the centre caps for these. I didn't get the centre caps with the wheels, so if anyone out there knows of where I can get them from, cheap. I don't want to be paying 35 quid a wheel for a centre cap. I ain't going to do that. But I've also thought of maybe just getting a cap that will fill in the middle here with like a logo on it or something, and then getting some maybe gold bolts or something like that. I don't know yet. We haven't quite got that far. But what we are going to do right now is tape up the centre sections of these, and then we can get to painting them as well, and then they'll all look exactly the same. So yeah, let's get to that right about now. Alright guys, so as you just saw, we have got the centre sections all masked up. That was the one that was the pain in the ass, because I did just straight across lines of tape, and it's a pain in the ass to get a blade all the way around the edge to get a really neat cut. This one, a lot more messy, but a hell of a lot easier to cut around the edge. But anyway, they're both masked up. We're going to stick them outside, and we are going to start layering the filler primer on. We're going to do 2 coats. I'm going to do the first coat on both, then I'm going to leave them for 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to do another coat, leave that to dry 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to do 3 coats of the chrome gold with 15 minutes in between each coat. So yeah, we'll get into doing that right about now.